I've got us a Honda Crosstour that is going from this to that. And they're gonna come with 2 new fobs or whatever, so everything will work in unison. So can't nobody take the car. So, yep. From that to that. All right, so it's done. One time. Radio comes on. 2 times. Everything else comes on. Without my foot on the brake button, nothing. Foot on the brake. Give me a little light dance. Fires right up. Alright. AC is on. As you can see, radio. No lights on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this lock button. And this car will not start. So I'm gonna have to keep showing this because people keep thinking that you can just steal a car. Well, it's got an alarm on it too, but as you can see, nothing. Alright. Will not start. Alright. There it is. Bingo! Done. Audi 5000.